Day number 3, doing a little video here and photo shoot.
Maybe less with the head and source guy. Super glad you came. I appreciate that you made it happen even though you had a half a week.
I'm so happy that you guys let me stay here.
We're heading to the gym. We're gonna work out. Where are we going? LA Fitness?
La Fitness, baby.
Anyone ever been there? No.
Yeah, I used to go there a long time ago, but not this specific one. I heard this one has, on the review I checked, there was a Yelp review that said this one is 98% dudes, so I'm all in.
So I guess the gym's only like 5 minutes away, so we're gonna walk. And here it is, LA Fitness. We're gonna go work out right here.
Just imagine punching zombies right in the face. Pow. Get out of here, zombie. It's hard, right? Like,
it's harder than it looks.
it looks way easier. It's just the stability is really
Yeah, the
difficult.
stability. I could probably do more weight, but
Exactly. That's why I like it. That's just like a different way to train and test yourself. Booty vegan.
My little body.
all right, that was fun. I feel like we had a good workout.
Yeah, man.
I'm feeling pumped.
It was a busy ass place, but we got it in, man.
Yeah, it was better than we thought. We went to the free weights and everything was good.
You were able to get a chest, tricep, and a shrug day in, so it was pretty good. We did a little zombie crushing at the gym just now, baby. I'm ready to punch a zombie in his face.
Now we're going back to the house, cleaning up, and then we're going to get, what is that mushroom place?
It's called Four Sigmatic Coffee.
Yeah.
It's like a special coffee and mushroom blend, so it's gonna be interesting. I've never tried it before.
I haven't tried it either, but I have a package of the Viking cocoa or whatever at home.
Yeah, but you haven't tried it yet?
I haven't tried it yet. My friend who owns a yoga studio in Syracuse gave it to me.
Okay.
So she knows the company. I don't really know them, but
Yeah, I'm excited to try.
yeah, cool.
We'll find out.
Well, we're on the Walk of Fame right now, but
Overstone.
we'll see you back at the house.
Hey.
Craig's finishing editing. Chelsea's
I'm
finished
about
editing.
to render. I'm on the outro right now.
Oh yeah?
Pretty excited about it.
So now we're on our way to Four Sigmatic.
Gonna have some hot cocoa, baby.
Yeah.
With some reishi mushrooms, baby. It's gonna be super healthy, baby.
Yeah, all of that. I don't even have to say anything.
That's like, I think, a coffee version of this thing.
All right, so I jumped out of the car because I'm supposed to hang out with Brian, my friend, the black metal chef. Hold on, check out this house. It's being fumigated. We got that over there. Anyway, so yeah, I jumped out of the car because I'm not going to make it in time. It's an hour drive to Venice Beach and back, and the event I'm going to with Brian starts at 7. I'm going to an event with Brian. I guess we're going to go see Hocus Pocus and Lords of Salem, and I guess there's some people from the movies going to be there and stuff like that. I'm wearing my Lords of Salem shirt right now. Rob Zombie movie. So yeah, Brian's going to pick me up. I just got out of the car. I don't even really know where I am. I'm somewhere here in LA by Echo Park, and I'm walking. It's a little chilly out here too. Who'd have thunk? It's like summer and I'm in LA and it's a little bit chilly. Anyway, talking to you guys, keeping me company. It's nice around here. The trees look nice. Look at this. Nice trees. So I will see you guys soon. Okay, it's been about a half an hour. Brian is here, walking to his car right now. For those of you guys that don't know Brian, this is Brian, the vegan black metal chef. There's Brian. Hey, what's up?
What is up, Chris?
So this is Brian, the vegan black metal chef without his makeup on.
They show these like cult movies, like cult classic movies at the Egyptian Theater, run by a vegan guy that actually a vegan couple that run this thing. And so they're showing Hocus Pocus and Lords of Salem tonight.
Which were both filmed in Salem.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. And I guess they have some people from the movie, or like some directors or some representatives there to like talk about things like in between the.
Well, that'd be awesome. Is it Rob Zombie? Because he directed Lords of Salem.
Well, no. It's probably not Rob Zombie.
Oh man.
But,
all right, let's do it.
Sweet.
All right, so we just filmed in the 99-cent store. That video will be up sometime, and I'll link it below when it happens. So be on the lookout for that. See how we did in there. Right now we're going back to Brian's place and we're gonna make some food, and then we might walk around Echo Park or something like that.
Yeah, sounds like a plan.
Sounds like a plan to me. I'm hungry.
I'm very hungry.
Keep going, keep going. He's got it. A little bit bright. Over at Echo Park now. Haven't been out here in a couple years. It's a pretty nice place though. Oh, look at the lost pup. You guys seen this pup? Call that number. All right, so now I'm in Brian's studio. This is where the vegan black metal chef makes his videos with a satanic spell book. Satanic spell book. It's pretty cool in here, Brian.
Thank you.
And this is a stove. This is where he cooks. These are in case some demons come out and he has to send them back to the abyss. Look at this. By the way, these are not plastic. These are all real. Don't try to break into the house of the vegan black metal chef. So this is the haul from the 99-cent store. There's a few other things we got that's not food, but that was a pretty good 99-cent bargain there. I will say there's a lot of plastic and packaging here that's probably unnecessary for most of it, but that's what they had. So 99-cent store. If you're on a budget, you can shop as a vegan there. So that was our end result. It was a little bit too spicy. Otherwise, pretty good. We're off to the event we're going to. I don't know if we can bring you in with us. We're off to Lords of Salem and Hocus Pocus. Echo, Echo, Echo Park. Alright, so we just got out of Hocus Pocus. We're not staying for Lords of Salem. It was just taking, like, we listened to like 2 speeches. It was good. You know, I don't think I've ever seen Hocus Pocus all the way through. And it's a good movie.
It's good. Like and Bette Midler is like absolutely ridiculously amazing in that, and yeah, she really just kind of stole the show.
And we got to see the producers and the writers and the composers all talk about the movie after it was done, and I learned, you know, some things about behind the scenes, stuff like that.
They wrote the soundtrack for that in like 3 weeks or something.
Yeah,
like, that's absolutely insane.
And he wrote the movie for his daughters, for like a bedtime Halloween story, and it's the most viewed movie on the Disney Channel, more than Harry Potter or anything.
That's pretty crazy.
That's awesome.
Good time at the Cinematic Void, and good time hanging out.
Yeah, I think we got to do this again next time when I'm not on a strict diet and we can actually make whatever we want to make. Well, we're out here on this Hollywood Walk of Fame, and I guess we're heading out. I'll see you again sometime, Brian.
Absolutely, it's awesome hanging out.
Definitely. So go check him out. See you guys soon. And I think I'm ending this vlog now. I'm heading back to the YouTube house and probably make some food because we didn't really get much earlier.
Yeah, totally.
So I won't put any spices in it either. Brian, later.
Later, Chris.
Late night dinner, I got some rice and veggies, lots of nutritional yeast, and some spices. Carrots and onion, and some pepper, red pepper.